Okay, today I'm going to attempt to change this cassette. Bought a new one. This is a SRAM. This one here is Shrano. Hopefully they fit. I haven't done this before. I just watch YouTube videos. The problem I was having, my chain was skipping. So I replaced the chain, but it's still skipping, and I watched some videos and they say to replace the gears too, and this one does look a little wore. You gotta take the stem off first. Had to buy a couple tools. This cassette nut removal tool, just slide it right in. It's supposed to have a chain whip, but I didn't buy one of those. So I'm gonna try to get this nut off. Going to use an adjustable. Just try to spin it off. Oh, it came off really easy. There's no washer under here. It's just the nut. Try to clean that up. You have to reuse that. Now the whole cassette should come off. Okay, I got the hub cleaned up. Just use some paper towel, clean the threads out on the splines. The new cassette. Comes with a new locking nut. This one doesn't have any spacers, they're built right in, so it shouldn't be any problem putting these on. They can only go on one way. Yeah, right there is a wider spline, and it just matches up with the wide spline on the cassette. Slides on. Then I'm going to put on a new nut, and it has a torque setting on there. This one says 40 Newton meters, which isn't really very much. Just get it started by hand. And then put your cassette nut tool back on. Use your torque wrench. One side says pounds, the other side says Newton meters. And adjust it up to 40. And you shouldn't have to hold it this time, it's going the right way. Just do it until the torque wrench clicks. There you go. Just put the stem back in the way it came off. The spring, the small end is towards the gear. Put on the nut. And you're done. My next job I got to do is change the crank. That'll be the next video. Thank you.